it's me Riya. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to talk about the products that I purchased from the Nykaa Hot Pink sale. So as you know, Nykaa is currently having the Hot Pink sale and it is having some really good offers. So I decided to buy some things. I really needed to control myself, but I couldn't, so I bought a few things. First of all, I bought 3 lipsticks from Maybelline. These 3 lipsticks from Maybelline and this nail paint. So starting off with the lipsticks. First off, we have the Maybelline Superstay Ink. Now this is the coffee edition and it is in the shade Hazelnut Hypnotizer. I also have another shade which is Cocoa Connoisseur, which I bought previously, and it was for 423 rupees. Its MRP is around 650, so it was having a really good discount, so I bought it. I've got this lipstick, which is the Maybelline Color Sensational Matte Creams lipstick in the shade Nude Nuance. So I've heard a lot of good things about this lipstick, and I've also heard it is a must-have nude and also a pretty good dupe for MAC Whirl. I don't know this yet, but I'll have to try it to confirm it. So this is what it looks like. It's a really pretty brown nude, as you can see, and it's got a shine to it. So it's going to be a creamy matte lipstick. Thirdly, I have this, which is a Maybelline Special, I think Nudes of New York or Nudes Bricks collection. I really don't know what it is called. I'll add a link for all the lipsticks in the description box, and I got this for free. Yes, this is Soho Nude number 4, and it is a really pretty color. Just look at it. I am wearing it today and I absolutely love it. Just look at this shade. Mind blowing. And it smells so good. I don't know why, but this has got a really good fragrance, and it is currently on sale for 150. And this Nude Nuance, this lipstick retails for 209 rupees. So these were the lipsticks, and I have ordered nude lipsticks this time because I'm not going out a lot due to the lockdown, and for Zoom meetings or school events I can't really wear any loud bold colors, so I did not have any nudes per se, so I bought some. Product which I'm going to talk about is the Nykaa Matte Nail Lacquer. I have had a lot of nail polishes, but I've never had a matte nail polish, so I wanted to try this. This is the shade number 19, which is a Matcha Tiramisu. It is a very grey toned green. As you can see, the packaging also looks very nice. It is a matte finish glass bottle, and it also lives up to its name. It gives your nails a matte finish, and I absolutely love it, and I will definitely purchase a lot more colors in this range. So that was it for my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and please keep watching. Bye bye.